Tonight, a KSBY News Investigation. We've discovered a new law designed to make some law enforcement personnel records public has a technicality that may inadvertently protect officers under conduct review. This includes a former Paso Robles police sergeant accused of sexual assault. After learning about the loophole from KSBY News and the San Luis Obispo Tribune, Central Coast Assemblyman Jordan Cunningham is now working to amend the new law. Former Paso Robles police sergeant Christopher McGuire is being accused of sexual assault by a woman who says she was raped and harassed on multiple occasions by McGuire while he was on duty in 2017. According to a new bill, SB 1421, a police officer's records must be released if a sustained finding was made by any law enforcement agency that a peace officer engaged in sexual assault involving a member of the public. Pursuant to this law, KSBY TV and the San Luis Obispo Tribune independently requested from the Paso Robles Police Department McGuire's records. But the investigation ended before an internal investigation could determine a sustained finding. For a sustained finding to be issued, an officer is allowed to respond to any allegations. McGuire quit during the course of the internal investigation, so no sustained finding. And records requests were denied. Attorneys for the city of Paso Robles said, absent a sustained finding, the city must apply the general statutory protection regarding confidentiality of peace officer personnel records. The district attorney's office investigated the case and declined to prosecute McGuire. We also asked that agency for his records and were denied again. The county said they are not unsympathetic to our concerns, but, quote, this is an issue that must be left to the legislature to address. We are compelled to follow the letter of the law. KSBY and the Tribune's attorney told the county in short, this position makes a mockery of Senate Bill 1421.
We've got a loophole, I think, that needs to be closed.
After learning about the issue from KSBY and the Tribune, Assemblyman Jordan Cunningham is now working to amend the law and close the sustained finding loophole.
I would like to see the facts be known and come out to the public as far as what the investigation did find.
The alleged victim's attorney, Elon Funky Baloo, has seen the 100-page case file.
And I'm at a loss to understand why the DA did not file.
Adding that to his client, that meant the community would not believe her.
So I've seen the devolution of a woman with life to a woman who's now a shell of herself.
The SLO County District Attorney Dan Dow declined to prosecute, saying no reasonable and objective jury could find McGuire guilty of the alleged crimes. Regarding the legislative fix, Cunningham said the bill could be changed as early as this year, but it is not clear if it will be retroactive. And as for McGuire, the alleged victim's attorneys have requested the state attorney general file charges against him, and civil lawsuits are also expected in this case.